Is your external component, the OpenAL Library 32-x86.dll, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish OpenAL Project links. Get the professional OpenAL Library 3286 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the OpenAL Library 3286, the 32-bit x86 implementation of the OpenAL Library. It is required by legacy 32-bit games, like Minecraft or older Unreal Engine titles, to render 3D spatialized sound on a 64-bit OS. On 64-bit Windows, this file must reside in syswow64. If missing, the game engine will report OpenAL device initialization failed. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike Windows core files, OpenAL Library 3286-DLL belongs to the specialized OpenAL Project environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the OpenAL Library 3286 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for OpenAL Library 3286. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for OpenAL Library 3286. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for OpenAL Library 3286 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.